Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I want to show us how to make a single welt pocket. Now here is my back panel. I have fixed my darts. The position of the dart is 5.5 inch from the sideline, and the dart depth is 3.5, and the dart leg is half an inch. Now the measurement for the welt pocket I have here is 5.5. It still depends on the customer size you are making his trousers for. You can use 5 inches for regular size and 5.5 for a bigger size. So now you take your placket, you go in this form and then place it below the line where you have drafted for your pocket position, and then stitch it half an inch down or 3/4 inch down for the first placket. Also get the second placket, place it to kiss each other, and also stitch it 1/4 inch down. Now the distance from the first threading to the next threading you are stitching must be half an inch, right? It is recommended that the two lines you're going to thread must be half an inch, right? So this is what you must do for you to get a perfect welt pocket opening, right? So now when you have, now you make sure you double stitch the end to make sure it's properly done. Then after this, you now fold into two parts and then notch the midpoint. Now this notching is to give you an opening. Then you must make sure the notching is notched all through. Then cut it open this way. Then stop like 1 inch before the end of the flap or the line you have sewn. Then bend the placket this way. Make sure you bend it this way, and then after which the next thing to do is to give it a V-notch from there. A V-notch, don't exceed where your threading stopped. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Carefully bend it this way, and then you also give it a V-notch. Make sure you give it a V-notch. As you can see how I am placing my scissors, give it a V-notch and stop at exact points where your threading ended, right? So after that, you now also notch or cut open the other edge, and then also repeat the same process here. Then bend it as well in this form, and then give it a V-notch. Make sure you are seeing the end point where your threading ended. Then after that, you also do the same thing on the other side. So now these notches are one of the basic things you need to do perfectly on a welt pocket. So once you're done doing that, then push the first placket that is up inwards, push it open this way, and then you now arrange it properly here, and then fold this one half an inch. Remember, half an inch was the opening we made. Make sure it's covering the opening, and then after which you now tuck it in properly. Carefully do this. Make sure it's properly tucked in that way that the edge must enter properly, and then push this one as well to come in this way. So this is how you carefully create your welt pocket for your back trouser. This method can also be used to create the welt pocket on a top. On anything that you want to create a welt pocket is the same procedure, right? So you must make sure you watch the video to the end to see how I carefully closed it and how I stitched all the ends, all the linings, and the closure, which is also very important. If you are enjoying the video, kindly give me a thumbs up and also comment and tell me where you're watching from. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and also invite them to my channel to also learn how to do some basic things in male fashion designing. So look at how beautiful that welt pocket is, and this is how yours must look like before you can claim that you learned from Mr. Redefined. All right, guys, I will allow you to watch the video to the end, and also make sure you comment and share the video to your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my subsequent videos. Bye bye for now.